Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Discord. Alright, let's get started. So here what you have to do is click on login after you go to the Discord official website. So once you do that, here you have the option to register. Click on this register button and here you have to fill in some information. So here enter your email and here you have to enter your display mail as well. So you have to enter the display name and then you have to create your username. So make sure the username is unique. So once you do that, next what you have to do is enter the password. So here you have to create a strong password consisting of special characters, numbers and letters. And here you have to enter your date of birth. And once you do that, you just have to click on this button and click on continue. And then there is some CAPTCHA verification. So here you have to verify. So it's really simple to verify. Alright. And here. And then click on verify. So here you can see my email is showing invalid, but if you enter real email address, you will get a verification code and your Discord account will be created. So that's it. That is how you will be able to sign up for Discord. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.